amazing.
सलमान, आपका जजमेंट फिल्मों के मामले में कितना सही जाता है?
pretty सही है अभी तक तो। जो मेरा एक तरीका है फिल्म साइन करने का, वो ये है कि अगर मुझे नरेशन के अंदर फिल्म बहुत अच्छी लगी, मीन्स लाइक आई हैव लाइक दैट दिस इज द फिल्म आई हैव टू डू मैन, आई हैव रियली लाइक द फिल्म, आई इंस्टेंटली से
उसी समय आप बोल देते हैं हाँ।
And there are films where, yeah, it's nice. Give me 2-3 days. Now, if they give me 2-3 days, is that how will I play that character? Then that film is on. But if I say, good, yeah, sweet film, no chance I'll do it.
अच्छा, you will not tell him to the face कि this is a bad film and I will not do it.
tell him.
अच्छा, you done it?
I said, I said these are the flaws with the film, the screenplay, the dialogue, or the character. And if you're going to go to somebody else, this is something I will not be able to do. If you're going to go to somebody else, try and incorporate and change that. So I will suggest that.
You make suggest. But कभी ऐसे हुआ है कि कोई राइटर या कोई डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर आपके पास आया कि वो कहानी सुनाई थी, आपको पसंद नहीं, हमने चेंजेस किए, एक बार और सुन लो, and you have signed the film?
Never happened.
Never happened?
Never happened. Never happened. Like the last film that happened like this was, I think, God the Secret.
अच्छा।
Yeah.
पहले आपको पसंद नहीं आई, उसके बाद आपने साइन कर ली?
No, पहले तो डेविड ने मुझे ये प्लॉट 4-5 बार सुनाया. I said no to it. And then Rumi Bhai came, and the dates were coming up, and there was a whole...
Rumi Jafri.
Yeah. And then I knew it was a okay film, and he wrote it like really funnily and stuff like that. But since I refused it 4 times, my doubt ये था. When I heard the film, I quite liked the narration of the film, the characters and stuff. It was a funny film. It was like a normal film. But that plot was...
Dicey.
There's something, a writer who's done such amazing films. Like he's done BB Number 1. He's done
Lines hits the
Sajan Chale Sasural. Then he's done he's done 4 films with me. Mujhse Shaadi Karoge, etc. And then making a film which is a copy of an English film. So वहाँ पे I didn't understand that. But वो क्या होता है कि if I at that point in time my thinking was कि अगर अभी मैं रिफ्यूज़ करूँगा तो ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं काम नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, बुरा मान जाएंगे और बाद में कहाँ डेट्स होंगे, ये डेट्स वेस्ट चले जाएंगे, कोई दूसरा विल नॉट बी, सो ऑल द रॉन्ग रीजंस.
पहले के ज़माने में स्टार्स रिलेशनशिप्स के कारण भी साइन करते थे, आजकल वो नहीं सिस्टम रहा?
नहीं, रिलेशनशिप वैसे ही ख़राब हो जाते हैं सर. अगर आपने एक रिलेशनशिप की वजह से पिक्चर साइन कर ली, पिक्चर डूब गई, तो रिलेशनशिप भी खराब हो जाते हैं.
For your benefit, you were not around. In the good old days, stars used to oftentimes sign films just because a friend has come and a friend is in need. He needs to make a film with a top star. तो ठीक है, तेरे साथ कर लेते हैं.
Yeah.
You think आज audiences forgiving नहीं है?
No, the quality of everybody's work is like on a different level altogether. So I don't think we should mess around with the quality. Earlier क्या ticket prices was 10 rupees and 15 rupees. Today the ticket prices are like $900 and $600 and $450.
Jacqueline, किक के बारे में बात करते हैं. क्या expectations हैं?
The trailer was received so well. And
what's the best compliment you got for the trailer?
Well, a lot of people, they were like, we can't believe we're seeing such a trailer.
Very true.
We can't believe we're seeing such a trailer.
Exactly. मेरा भी पहला शब्द यही था, unbelievable.
Unbelievable,
yes.
Or, it's something different. It's something that we've not seen before. That's, I think, an amazing compliment because you always want to, I think, create something that, people have not seen and not make it the same thing. And so actually, I think, best compliment tha. I don't know. I can't give a figure. I can't.
ठीक है. Then Salman has to come to your rescue. I'm not going to come to your rescue.
I'm very bad at these things.
So then you please request Salman to come to your rescue.
What should I say? A figure? I know it'll do amazingly. I know it'll do very well.
And what's the definition of amazing? What is the figure for amazing?
It'll make money.
That's hardly amazing. That's hardly amazing.
No one should lose. See, if you
It'll make lots of money.
कितने पैसे लग गए हैं इस फिल्म के बनने में? 100 करोड़ से अधिक, I'm sure.
It has to cover that money. Otherwise, you'll get screwed. I'll get screwed. Sajid will definitely get screwed. People will lose money, and it's not cool to lose money. So when people lose money, your price is not going to increase, my price is not going to increase.
लेकिन प्राइस कम भी नहीं होती है स्टार्स की. जब फिल्म नहीं चलती है, स्टार्स की प्राइस कम होती है.
होती है. 1 आध 2 नहीं चली तो फिर वो you have to. If काम करना है तो you'll have to get down your price. नहीं तो कोई खरीदेगा नहीं उस प्राइस के अंदर.
Okay. आखिर में जाते जाते some message directly to your fans on the occasion of Eid.
Oh man, go and watch the film. It's a superb film. We've really enjoyed working in this movie. Make sure that we don't have to pay the distributors this time.
Not this time. Not this time.
Jacqueline, something from you.
पहले सबको ईद मुबारक.
जी हाँ, सबको ईद मुबारक.
सलमान, जैकलीन, आपने अपने फैंस को तो मैसेज दे ही दिए. सलमान आपके एक बहुत बड़े फ़ैन हैं जिन्होंने आपके लिए एक ख़ास गिफ्ट दिया है. मैं चाहूँगा आप खोल के सबको दिखाएं. ये स्पेशली आपके लिए बनाया गया है.
Wow. It's your. What does it say?
Oh, sweet.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग ऑन द शो. थैंक यू. तो दोस्तों, ये थे सलमान खान और जैकलीन फर्नांडिस. इन्होंने तो ये नहीं बताया कि इनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है. हम बता देते हैं. दिस फिल्म इज सेट टू ब्रेक ओल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स एंड क्रिएट न्यू वंस. ये फिल्म बहुत सारे नए रिकॉर्ड्स बनाएगी. एंड माइंड यू, वी हैव नॉट सीन द फिल्म. वी आर बेसिंग आवर जजमेंट purely on the trailers and the songs one has heard. ईद के रोज़ ये एक नया रिकॉर्ड कायम करेगी. ईद के बाद वाले दिन में ये एक नया रिकॉर्ड कायम करेगी. पहले वीक के फिगर्स ऐसे होंगे जो हमने कभी नहीं देखे हैं. एंड इन ऑल प्रोबेबिलिटी दिस फिल्म इज सेट टू बिकम one of the highest grossing films of Indian cinema ever. दोस्तों, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. दिस इज कोमल नाहटा bidding you goodbye.